So I just got my 20-inch Schwalbe Big Apple tires and wheels from Utah Trikes, and I'm gonna mount them and then take the old 16-inch wheels off the front and put these on, and I figured I'd record it for posterity. Alright, let's rock and roll. Here's the one I've already completed. It's actually pretty easy. Surprised. And here's the rest of the stuff. Got the rim, got the tire, and we have the tube. So all I've needed are my two tire levers. And this is all original equipment for the KMX Typhoon trike. You get this piece off here. Alright. Now, I'm certainly not a professional, but I figured this out pretty quickly, thanks to YouTube, of course, because you can learn how to do brain surgery on YouTube. Alright. Now, put this on first. Get the valve near the... Let's get that on there. Alright, I'll figure that out after. I can't remember why, but one video said keep the valve near the writing. And I can't remember the reason. But, you know what? I'm going to do it. I did it with the last one. There we go. Alright. Now, got the back bead on. Got to take out the tube and partially inflate it so it gets its shape and is easier to work with. Very important step. There that goes. Alright. Take this off. This little ring helps secure the Schrader valve once it comes through the hole of the wheel or the rim. Alright, and that is off now. Pump it up a little bit. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's get this guy lined up. Put the valve in first. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, sucker. There we go. Once you get it started, it seems to be pretty easy. It's just getting it going can be a little tricky. Alright. And then just work your way around. A lot of great videos on YouTube about doing tire stuff. I really enjoyed learning how to do my own repairs and modifications for my trike. I research things to death, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I learn a lot. Alright. Put this little nut here to secure it, just temporarily anyway. Okay, now from here I'll start working the bead in. It's pretty easy once you get it started. There we go. And then for the last little bit I had to use the levers, the tire levers before, so I'm sure that'll happen again, and yes it did. So put them in like this and like this. Just kind of work your way up. Come on, baby. sometimes some gentle talking to the tire helps to cajole it into place. You know, I find you use kid gloves with inanimate objects, it seems to work better than screaming at them. Alright. Now, to inflate the tire, I'm not going to get it up to the proper PSI yet because my gauge is upstairs and I'm pretty lazy. I don't feel like walking up there, but I'll get it pumped up pretty well. I got to make sure that the tube's not caught in the bead before I fully inflate it. And it looks like we're clear all the way around. Yes. Alright. Actually, it might be easier just to go like so. That's good for now. And there is a well-mounted tire. Okay, put the cap back on. Now the tricky part. This part I have not done yet. I did watch some tutorials. I couldn't find the exact tutorial to take off a... Hey, Bub. This is my dog, Bub. Come on out, Bub. Wanna go out? To take off a, whatchamacallit, a front wheel on a trike. But, that being said, I'm sure I can figure it out. Alright, watch out, buddy. Watch out, buddy. Alright, alright. Alright, Bub. So, let me see here. Okay, okay. Watch out, buddy. Alright. This is my buddy Bub, who has yet to get into that trailer over there. It's covered right now, but he's a big chicken. We love him, though. Right, Bub? Yeah, you're a good boy. I rescued him from California. He's been an amazing dog. All right, now, let me get this thing out here. Oh, shoot. Let's put this out for a second. Put the brake on. Get my chair back from falling over. All right. Now I gotta get my bike tool out of the back. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Watch out, Bub. Watch out. Okay. First thing I have to do is take off the discs. And I believe that was a 20. Yes, it was. Alright. So, this is all uncharted territory for me, so this could be interesting. Let's see. Yeah, so far so good. Looks like they had Loctite on there. I don't have any, so I don't think I'm going to worry about it. Now, I just kind of looked at this and saw that the only way to really effectively get the disc off is doing it this way, because I didn't want to have to take the caliper apart, the brake, because I certainly don't want to get involved in trying to adjust that. I think that's beyond the purview of my skill level, my skill set. So we'll stick to the easier, softer way, which I believe is this way. Hopefully I'm right. Right, Bub? Right, Bub? Bub? Nah, he doesn't care. He don't care. All right. 2 more. Over here a little bit. Whoops. Okay. Starting to look good. And 1 more. All right, man. We have separation. So this is going to be interesting. How to get the axle off. I don't know if I need just the box wrenches or what. It's probably a 5/8. Let's see what we got. Got this set at Home Depot, $19.99. Awesome for somebody who is a home do-it-yourselfer. Not the best quality, but it certainly works for me. All right. Well, that looks like it's it. 3/4. I'm going to strip this thing. Oh wait, that's probably metric actually. You know what? Let me see here. 18 millimeter. No, it's not. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's not metric. Okay, so 3/4. And why can't I get it on there all the way? What's the deal? Okay, I think we actually might have figured this out pretty quickly. That's freaking unbelievable. It can't be that easy. Nothing is ever that easy. I'm concerned. Here's my old mountain bike. Alright. I'm going to put it up on a some sort of stand. Homemade. Hi, bub. Hi, bub. Hi, bub. Alright, let's see here. Keep my work area clean. Let me get all my screws up. Hey, buddy. Oh, yes, I know. I know, bub. Put those on the seat for now. 1, 2. I had more than 4. What did I do, bub? Oh, you know what? I'll find out. Oh, I know. I know, buddy boy. Stay put. All right. All right, Mr. Bob. Now, oh, there's another one. Thank you. Very nice. All right, there we go. Now, look at that, huh? I guess, oh, don't forget that washer. That is freaking amazing. And I might have spoken too soon.